We'll guide you through how to restore a WhatsApp backup from iCloud. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone. So how WhatsApp backups work on an iPhone is that they're stored in iCloud. And so for whatever reason you want to go and restore from it, perhaps you accidentally deleted a message or something else has happened and you want to go and restore to it. So first of all, you can go and check your last iCloud and WhatsApp backup. To go and do that in the WhatsApp app, you need to go to the bottom right. There you can go and find the option for settings and tap there. Next, you need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for chats. Then in here, you need to go and find the option for chat backup. And then at the top, you'll go and see when the last backup was. So in this case, it was on Saturday at 2:25. So it's important to note that with backups is that now everything that's happened since that, when we're going to restore to it, is going to go be lost, and everything that's happened before it is going to go be included. So you may go and lose some messages depending upon when the backup was. So do just consider that, as you may go and lose some more recent messages that's happened after the backup. So now if you want to go and restore to that backup there, what we need to do is we need to come out of the WhatsApp app like so. Now what you need to do is go and find the WhatsApp app. As you can see, here it is, and you need to go and tap and hold on it like so. And you actually need to go and delete it. So go and press remove app, then go and press delete app. As I said, make sure you're doing this because you will go and lose everything that's happened since the backup, but I want to, so I'll press delete. Then what you need to do is you need to go and open up the App Store like so. You can go and press search in the bottom right, press search again at the bottom, and we can go and type in WhatsApp, and then it'll go and pop up here and you can go and download it. Now go and wait for it to download. It shouldn't take long. When it's finished, you can then go and open it up. Now what we need to do is go and start the setup process. So I'll go and press agree and continue like so, and we can press continue. And then what you need to do is you need to go and enter in your phone number here. Press next. Now it's going to go and load. It should automatically go and detect that there's a backup in iCloud. And as you can see, it says restore your chat history from iCloud. You'll not be able to restore later if you decline to restore now. So if you press skip here, if you want to go and restore to it, you'll need to go and do the same thing where you go and delete WhatsApp and go and download it again. So in this case, I'm going to go and press restore, and it'll then go and start the process. You can see it's preparing, and it'll go and get all the messages. The more messages you have, the longer this will take. Now you can go and press next like so, and we can go and share the access to our contacts like so, and you can go and press done. Change your name and profile picture there if you wish, but you can go and do that later as well. And that's it, here we are. So then everything that was in that backup has now been restored. As I said, you will go and lose everything that's happened since that backup. But there we go, you've now gone and successfully gone and restored a WhatsApp backup from iCloud. If you found this useful and want to see more useful guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more WhatsApp guides like this, amongst many other things as well.